is why I have a small bowl. My name is Melissa and I love to sew. Therefore, a lot of the videos that I upload are related to sewing. Ignore my Serger right now. It's going through a health check. If you are new, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for being here, and I hope you see my other videos. If you are a returning subscriber, you know what time it is. It is June. We just entered into the month of June. Therefore, let's go ahead and plan the month with me. I know it looks empty. I will switch to a voiceover so you understand why. And let's go ahead and get started. Goodbye, May 2019. Thank you for such a wonderful, busy, hardworking month. This month was actually pretty busy and it was awesome. I really enjoyed the quote of "not everyone drinks tequila," because anytime that I felt a little heavy or just a little discouraged, I just repeated it to myself that, you know what, not everybody drinks tequila. Like, it's all right. You know, relax, come back to planet Earth. And as you guys know, I always enjoy decorating the calendar. Decorating the calendar for me really reminds me to look at it. It's eye appealing. All the different colors make me focus on it and see it. I have mentioned it before that I am a visual learner. You can tell me 1,000 times, but I need to see it to do it. So yeah, I do have two brothers that have birthdays. You guys know I put my measurements on the top corner. And the first quote that I decided to go with was, "There are still good people in this world. Be the good one." And I highlighted it, but I wasn't feeling the quote. And then I tried making the goals based off the quote. And that's kind of how I do it. And I just couldn't bring myself to come up with good video ideas. I was kind of at a blank. So I moved on. I didn't like it. It was kind of a blank canvas and I didn't schedule anything. And I kind of put it at pause for a minute because I didn't. And then I wrote down hit 600 on YouTube as subscribers. And I'm not going to lie, you guys, I felt pretty discouraged. It's been a few months that I've been wanting to hit that goal. And it's starting to take a toll on me. I'm not going to lie to you. But watch. I also added summer, but check this out. Here I am the following day realizing that my summer goals aren't adding up. They're not making sense. If you guys remember from my mood board, my goal for this year on YouTube is to hit 10,000 subscribers, which is awesome. But my goals for sewing have changed. I'm paying for lessons on the Sew It Academy through Mimi G. Congratulations to Mimi G and Norris. Their wedding pictures on Instagram look beautiful. But my plans for sewing have changed. Obviously, I still want to sew my own wardrobe. I'm still learning how to do proper fittings on myself. I'm sewing a lot more for my kids, which is great. But because I want to take my time with my own garments, and I don't want to feel rushed. You know, when you feel rushed, it's just not fun anymore. So I wanted to finish the month of March, or the month of May. I wanted to finish the month of May strong, since I started it strong. But it has left me with blank ideas for the month of June. So I'm going to be making a video on sewing a costume. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what costume I'm talking about. Because I can't stop thinking about it in my head on how I would do it. So I have to bring it to life. My hands want to bring that to life. I'm also going to show a video of really fun summer projects to sew that are going to be useful. And then the next thing that I added is a romper. Obviously, we're going to have my rice water update. I'll put that rice water update. And then I could do a 1-month review on the Sew It Academy. The biggest issue that I'm also having is choosing when I can upload. This is why I enjoy planning, because it helps me understand where I'm at and where I want to be, and it helps me understand the how. There's always what to do, what to say, what to wear, there's always the what, but for me it's really important to me, as in how. Like, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. It always emphasize on the how. And this helps me focus on the how. So obviously I want to sew my own clothes. Well, how am I going to get there? By taking lessons through the Sew It Academy and continuing to watch other YouTubers that inspire me. That is something that I always pay attention to. This is why I love doing this. I even erased the saying because I don't think it has anything to do with my goals. It has more to do with the person that I want to be. I hope you enjoy and can see the changes that I made, including on the quote. So let's go ahead and skip to the voiceover, and I will see you in a bit. So I went ahead and added the quote, or the saying, if you will. I don't think it's a quote. It's not the what, it's the how. I wrote down the goals that I wanted and I added them, the Sew Summer projects, little things that could be useful during the summer to keep you cool, the Sew Summer Romper Challenge on Instagram going on right now, the Rice Water Hair update, the Sew It Academy update. I also gave myself more days to record and more days to edit and upload the videos. I also want to continue going to Savers. We are having car problems right now, so I'm hoping I can go to Savers, and I think that's it. I also added the enjoy the journey. Before it was remember the journey. This time I wanted to go ahead and put enjoy the journey as opposed to remembering it. I want to enjoy it as well. My video is supposed to be about the fabric that I purchased at Savers, but unfortunately we are down to one car at the moment, and our other car is at the mechanic, and hopefully we will have it soon this week, preferably sooner than later. Kind of hard for me to go to the thrift store when my husband's here, and by the time he comes home a lot of the fabric is gone. There's really not a lot left, so I just don't go. It's one of those things that you have to hit up in the morning so you can get first call and first dibs on everything. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to have a wonderful day, week, and month, and make it a great year. There's 6 months left. Make it a good one, you guys. Bye.